2025 Aston Martin DBX 707 represents a bold statement in the luxury SUV market, combining Aston Martin's iconic design language with extraordinary power and cutting-edge technology. As the performance-oriented variant of the DBX lineup, the DBX 707 raises the bar, offering an unparalleled driving experience for enthusiasts who demand both refinement and thrill. Power and performance. At the heart of the DBX 707 lies a twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter V8 engine, meticulously tuned to produce an astonishing 697 horsepower, 707 PS, hence the name, and 663 pound-feet of torque. This makes it the most powerful luxury SUV in the world. Paired with a bespoke 9-speed wet-clutch automatic transmission, the DBX 707 can launch from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.1 seconds, rivaling some of the fastest sports cars on the market. The performance enhancements don't stop there. Aston Martin engineers have recalibrated the suspension system for sharper handling, improved ride comfort, and better responsiveness. The adaptive air suspension and electronic active roll control provide exceptional stability, even during aggressive cornering. Meanwhile, the carbon-ceramic brakes ensure precise stopping power, perfectly complementing its dynamic capabilities. Exterior design. The DBX 707 takes Aston Martin's signature design aesthetic to new heights. The aggressive front fascia features a larger grille, redesigned intakes, and a new splitter, giving the SUV a more menacing and athletic stance. At the rear, a quad exhaust system and an enhanced diffuser underscore its high-performance credentials. Unique 22-inch wheels come standard, while optional 23-inch wheels offer even more road presence. Despite its sporty look, the DBX 707 maintains the elegance and sophistication for which Aston Martin is known. The sculpted lines, sweeping roofline, and meticulous attention to detail make it a standout in the luxury SUV segment. Interior luxury and technology. Step inside, and you're greeted with an interior that exudes opulence and craftsmanship. The DBX 707 features hand-stitched leather upholstery, carbon fiber accents, and customizable trim options to cater to the most discerning tastes. Sports seats come standard, providing excellent support for spirited driving while maintaining long-distance comfort. Technology is seamlessly integrated into the cabin. The infotainment system features a 10.25-inch central display, while a fully digital 12.3-inch driver display provides essential information at a glance. Premium features like a 14-speaker surround sound system, wireless charging, and a suite of advanced driver assistance systems ensure both entertainment and safety are prioritized. Driving modes and customization. The DBX 707 offers multiple driving modes, including Sport, GT, Terrain, and the dedicated Sport Plus mode. These modes adjust the throttle response, suspension settings, and exhaust note, allowing drivers to tailor the experience to their preferences. For those seeking even greater personalization, Aston Martin offers an extensive range of bespoke options through its Q by Aston Martin program, from exclusive paint finishes to unique interior designs. Sustainability and future outlook. As Aston Martin moves toward a more sustainable future, the DBX 707 also hints at the brand's commitment to blending high-performance engineering with environmental consciousness. While this model focuses on raw power, Aston Martin's future DBX variants are expected to incorporate hybrid or fully electric powertrains, ensuring the brand remains at the forefront of innovation. The 2025 Aston Martin DBX 707 is more than just an SUV, it's a statement of intent. It redefines what a luxury performance SUV can be, delivering breathtaking speed, unmatched luxury, and unmistakable style. Whether carving through mountain roads or cruising through the city, the DBX 707 offers a driving experience that is both exhilarating and refined. For those seeking the perfect blend of performance, luxury, and exclusivity, the Aston Martin DBX 707 is a game-changer in every sense. It's not just a car, it's an experience. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates on the latest in luxury and performance vehicles. Let us know your thoughts about the DBX 707 in the comments below.